Yzma. Cute kitty. Yzma is a cutie. Look at her. Yzma is a cutie. Look at her. Yzma is a cutie. Look at Jackson. Jackson, make a funny face. Hi, Mom. Nice. Yzma, she's the cutest of the bunch. She's so cute. See, you could eat her for lunch. She looks like a potato that has been baked. But don't worry, Loney looks like she's burnt. Come on, let's show you Loney. Loney. Where is the Loney? Loney. Where are you, Loney? Loney. We must find Loney. We must give her a hat. Loney with a hat. There, a Loney and he ran. No Loney that I can see. If you saw a Loney in here that I did, comment the time frame down below if you can. Anyway, bark. Was that me? I don't think that's me, not gonna lie. Where'd you come from? Loney. Well, I guess we're gonna have to cover Loney. Oh, sorry. In another video. Anyway, peace out and Yzma out.